This college was established in 2012 to serve as a center of excellence in rehabilitation sciences education, clinical skills, and need-based research. This college aims to produce professionally safe, competent, reflective, and analytical rehabilitation specialists by challenging conventional practices and creating new ways of developing and delivering courses. We offer 2 programs at this college, Doctor of Physical Therapy, which is a 5-year program, and Bachelor's of Speech and Language Pathology, which is a 4-year program. We focus to academic excellence, clinical competence, professional ethics, research, and personal development. Our programs are designed to equip students with the knowledge, skill, and confidence required to meet the evolving demands of healthcare services nationally and internationally. At RCRS, we believe that learning extends beyond the classroom. We encourage our students to participate in research projects, community outreach activities, professional workshops, and interdisciplinary learning experiences that contribute to their overall professional growth. What distinguishes RCRS is that our students begin their clinical exposure and research training from the first semester, enabling them to develop professional competence, critical thinking, and evidence-based practice skills much earlier than in many traditional programs.